Hello everyone. Welcome to Dos and Don'ts, where we dive deep into the world of knowledge, insights, and skills that can empower you in everyday life. If you're passionate about learning and growing, you're in the right place. On this channel, we explore a wide range of topics that are not only informative but also practical and relatable. From the do's and don'ts in everyday situations to essential tips for thriving in your personal and professional life, our aim is to equip you with the tools you need to succeed. So, what can you expect from Dos and Don'ts? Let me break it down for you. Every week, you'll find exciting videos covering various themes like travel etiquette, workplace professionalism, relationship advice, and so much more. Our goal is to provide you with engaging and easy-to-follow content that adds value to your life. We believe that learning should be enjoyable. That's why we focus on delivering practical tips and tricks you can implement right away. Whether you're a student looking to ace your exams, a professional navigating the corporate world, or someone seeking personal growth, we've got something for everyone. Our videos are designed to be not just informative but also applicable to real-life situations. We want to help you make better choices and enhance your experiences, whether you're traveling to a new country or preparing for a job interview. We value your input and want to create a community of learners. I encourage you to leave comments, share your experiences, and suggest topics you want us to cover. If you're excited to embark on this journey with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thank you for stopping by Dos and Don'ts. Remember, knowledge is power, and together, we can know the way to a brighter future. I'm looking forward to sharing this journey with all of you. Let's dive in, explore, and grow together.